that. Look at me on the monitor. I look great. Oh my god. Anyway, don't worry about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I actually did this. Let me pause. I'm actually playing something and music in here. I actually filmed this tutorial I think yesterday, no, day before yesterday. I filmed it using natural light and it was already going dark and I just hated it. I hated it. I have edited the video. I was going to have it up. I was like, nah man, nah, I can't. This can't be my comeback to YouTube. Anyway, I'm going to be filming from the tutorial, from the title. I'm sure you all know that it's my 5-minute go-to makeup routine, and you're about to get popping with 5 minutes. Now if that boy is waiting for you, girl, you can meet him up in 5 minutes. That ain't going to miss anything with this bit for 5 minutes. All it takes is 5 minutes tops, and all you need is your concealer. You don't need no foundation, sis. You don't need no foundation. Okay, longest intro ever. Let's walk into this. Sorry. So you want to start by priming your face. I'm going to be using this primer. I love this primer. You all know that. I've used it on here for so long. You can tell me everything I don't know. Baby, I can tell you everything I don't know. I'm listening to music. Don't mind me. I really hope this doesn't turn to voiceover, because yeah, I'll get serious and then I'll get unserious. It's true, no fault of my own, of course. Just the way I am. London Bridge, London Bridges. Now that your face is all primed, I'm going to be using a concealer. The concealer of choice is Elegant Fawn. You don't necessarily have to use Fawn. Just use anything that is your shade or a shade lighter than your shade. Guess we'll sing about it, girl. Guess we'll sing about it. If you have smile lines like I do, you want to avoid having products there at all. I don't put products there if I'm just using concealer. I'm going to be using this Elegant, of course, in beautiful bronze. It's now and forever. It's a beauty bath too. Don't worry about it. Y'all have no idea what I did today. So I washed my beauty blender with it smells so good, with my black soap, the one I used on my last skincare routine, and that lemon skin. Oh, it smells amazing. Yo, who is feeling my new hijab thing, that putting it in here and stuff? Because I am good. I didn't even think I would, but boy, I love it. Now I know many people don't like this album, but I love this album. I think it's the 28/8. Actually didn't think I would miss filming because of how much stressful it is, but I have. By the way, I vlogged some part of my Abuja trip and I'll be posting it. So sis, you want to set everything ASAP, especially if you have smile lines. So Nepa took the light, and now let's continue. We want to spread this banana powder all over your face. Just do it. I set my face, my entire face with this because I need it to brighten here. Let me do my brows real quick. I think I have spoken about this so many times in my tutorials because I don't know where I got it from, and it's the best contour, and it has this Miss 5 on it. I don't know what Miss 5 is or what beauty brand that is, but boy is it the best contour. I'm going to set my entire face with this classic powder. I love it. So I'm going to take this contour brush thingy. I'm going to So I'm going to do this whole thing trying to contour my nose, but not really. That's how I do it every day. This is my contour thing, sort of. Like if I'm in a haste, I just do this with the rest of. Like when I went to that makeup fair thing, makeup talent show thing, I went to blend out with this powder blending brush, powder beauty blender. Hey, I paused it. Wait, what? The beauty blender that I used up. Whatever. I'm not going to blend it with this. So guys, Nepa tried to steal my shine, but it didn't succeed. Anyway, I'm on my way out. So what you're going to do after you've done that, the whole contour and stuff, I think that's where I stopped it. I was actually going to take off because I'm going out. So I was going to take off my clothes and wear the clothes that I'm going to wear to go out. Okay, so I was like, nah, I'm not done with this tutorial. I want to finish this. So I'm going to use this. Look how good I look with that light. Anyway, and I'm going to highlight. It's popping. I haven't done a tutorial like this in so long with my food. We are done. Bye bye. See you guys later. Bye. Thank you for sticking around. This is my favorite look to go with, and it only takes you like 5 minute tops. The only reason this has been all over the place is because it took the light and I'm filming, but it shouldn't take you this longer to finish all of this. Do you understand? So all of this shouldn't take you like 5 minutes. It should. So see you on my next tutorial. Bye. Nepa be playing with my feelings. Why? I'm such a good person. Why you gotta do this to me, man? Why you gotta do this? Why you gotta do this to me? Nepa, I thought you're... Nah, we're not friends.